What's up guys? We just finished walking this property with our customer. She's super happy with everything we installed. Let's go take a look around. Betsy wanted to make her dream front yard, and a big part of that was installing these Gabion baskets all throughout. We also installed over a dozen of these granite lichen boulders. When this driveway was initially installed, compaction wasn't done properly. In fact, this entry had a 4-inch drop. We've corrected that now with new compaction material, and we installed polymeric sand on the entire driveway to make sure that it's locked in place and concrete sand isn't going to wash out between the pavers. Plants we installed include this manzanita, buffalo juniper, butterfly bush, and Betsy's favorite, her chase tree. If you need help with landscape design or an HOA approval for your project, call or text anytime, 928-910-4147.